Right, example 21, solve the linear system in a word problem format. First we read, Carlos and Mark are selling fruit for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy small boxes of grapefruit and large boxes of grapefruit. Carlos sold 6 small boxes of grapefruit and 3 large boxes of grapefruit for a total of $72. Mark sold 6 small boxes of grapefruit and 1 large box of grapefruit for a total of $44. What is the cost each of 1 small box of grapefruit and 1 large box of grapefruit? So we highlight key information. So we know that Carlos sold 6 small boxes and 3 large boxes. And we know that Mark sold 6 small boxes and 1 large box for a total of $44. And Carlos sold for a total of $72. So what this is asking us for is the cost of 1 small box of grapefruit and 1 large box of grapefruit. So from there you can figure out your variables. We're going to call S the cost of a small box, and then we're going to call L cost of 1 large box. And then you set up your equations. We know that Carlos will have an equation, and then we know that Mark will have an equation as well. So we have Carlos sold 6 small boxes, so 6S, and which is plus 3 large boxes, so 3L equals 72. And then we know Mark sold 6 small, so 6S plus 1L for a total of 44. Alright, easiest thing to do here is use linear combination or elimination to get to solve for the equation. What I'm going to do, since the 2 coefficients are the same in front of the x, I'm just going to multiply the bottom equation by -1 to cancel out the s. So top equation stays the same, 6s plus 3l equals 72. Bottom equation gets multiplied by -1, so we have -6s minus 1l equals -44. So I have 6s minus 6x gets canceled out. 3l minus 1l is 2l. And then 72 minus 44 is 28. Let's get l by itself, so divide by 2. L equals $14 for 1 large box of grapefruit. I have to figure out the cost for the small box, so I'm going to plug in the $14 in for either one of the equations for L. I'm going to do it to the bottom. So I have 4s plus 1 times 14 equals 44. 1 times 14 is just 14, so it's positive 14. I can subtract 14 on both sides. So 6s equals 44 minus 14 is 30. Divide by 6. So the cost for 1 small box is $5. Right, and those are your 2 answers.